And then I'm going to turn on this rounded edge. Yeah. And we're going to start doing this splenius. And again, if you hold it like this, you're going to have better strength. And when you do this, it's so much better if you can use your ab muscles. It's going to be a lot easier. So he actually, right here in this splenius muscle, we do dressage and we're working on 3rd level. So it's a decent, you know, I put some pressure on him. And so this really helps him perform to the best of his ability. So I go there on that rounded edge on this big muscle. And you can go up here on the rhomboids. So the rhomboids are right here. And that we call the crest. And you guys all know that, right? Horse people. This rounded edge for the rhomboids. As well as the splenius. And, you know, I don't do it for a very long time. I just do it kind of as like warm up those muscles, warm up the fascia, get that blood moving in there. I then take this curved edge, this curved portion of that, and I'm going to go like this so you can see the shoulder muscle, okay? We have the supraspinatus and the infraspinatus. I'm going to take my curved edge and I'm going to put a little bit of pressure. You're talking maybe light to medium pressure depending on the horse. You have to read your horse. You do not want to just start digging and do deep pressure and them hate you. So it's really about the person and connecting with your horse and knowing your horse. Okay, so you definitely need to read them. The other option is you can take your rounded edge and you can take it down like this. Now with the rounded edge on this portion of the horse's body, you need to be a little bit more careful. It goes deeper. So more gentle is the way to go on this one. So you're just gonna see this, come down here on those shoulder muscles. A lot of times horses have a decent buildup of fascia right here, going at the end of your brachiocephalicus muscle into those pectorals. So you got to be aware of that. Rhomboids end, and we have the wither area, right? Hi, buddy. We get into our trapezius muscles. We also have our deltoid and our tricep muscles. And so we want to release all of that. A lot of horses, so for example, if the horse is feeling a little off or they're not stepping through all the way through that, let's say left front, a lot of times our triceps are not engaging properly. We might have fascia tension there. Using this rounded edge on the deltoids and the triceps can release some of that tension. So as you can see, I just do that. Now again, using the tool, there isn't, using it like this is a good way. There's lots of different ways. You just want to find a way that's the most comfortable for you. So we don't want to make, it uncomfortable for ourselves. We want to save our joints. So the next little spot up here is our trapezius muscle. I'm going to use this rounded edge, and I'm going to be very gentle in that area because it is a flat muscle, okay? So I'm going to start up here in the withers, and we're just going to release up here. A lot of times you're going to feel a decent amount of tension in the withers up here. A little crunchy. He definitely has some crunchy spots in there, so I'm just going to kind of keep going there. You see that? And then I'm going to do gentle pressure on that, on the trapezius. And the scapula is that bone right there. So we want to be very aware of that. Gentle Some horses love it. Some horses are like, can you be a little bit more careful there? So again, reading your horse is a very good idea.